one thing you can do, go to the application servers. Again, tab, go to the application server tab.
Okay.
Yeah. Right click on this. Right click. Wait. Wait. Above, click on above one, parent one, application server. Yeah, right click. New application server. Okay, now show. Okay. Go down. Go on the tab. Yeah. This one. Yeah. Right click on this. Recreate default domain. Yeah.
Okay.
So okay. No, don't localhost. Yeah.
Domain construction failed.
Okay. Delete default domain. Yeah. Delete it. Has been deleted. Okay. Right click. Again. Create default domain.
All available address I'll put or localhost.
Yeah, all available. You can keep it. Otherwise, laptop, anything, it will work. Yeah. Okay. It is failing, right? No,
Yeah,
wait.
cannot.
What else? No, it was not. Okay. Are you installed DB? If you have any
No.
chance, DB
No.
in your system.
No.
In your system, now DB, right?
No.
So, okay, it will not take that much time. You can install right away. Download, put the download.
Oh, I never did. So which one can I download?
XC also no problem.
Which one? Sorry.
Oracle XC, Express Edition. XC, yeah. XC for
11G.
yeah, no, 11G only. 12C not there. Windows 64 bit, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, 18C came maybe. Express. Wait. Yeah. So this thing. Is it downloading for you? Just a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, done. Something start. Yeah. Okay, let it be. I want to share something.
Okay.
I can stop.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know where to put this.
What?
No, this toolbar. It's okay.
Okay. I'm opening. We'll go what we discussed before. What is SOA something? I'll brief about you. Okay.
Okay.
I'm sharing my screen.
I'll stop sharing.
Yeah. Okay. Are you able to see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, yeah, you have aware something about SOA and something you discussed, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, in business-wise, we talk about what about SOA. It is like like what you developed before, like API, web services, Java, what you integrated with Java and front-end and back-end systems, like this pattern only. But it is a combination of all in a compact suite. Like it is handy to connect with DB, handy to connect with FTP file. We have everything. No need to customize or write in the code. So if any integration, it will take very less time. Okay, and it is also cost effective. So Java is very cost effective when compared to the SOA, but its market wise it is reduce the cost and client perspective. It is very good for the integrate business wise, because no need to buy the all the licenses, DB1 license, so multiple licenses are not required, so that we can reduce our integration cost and maintenance cost also. And so for root cause analysis, coming to the root cause analysis part, we can have a EM console, so that you can easily monitor the SOA services. No need to depend. No need to purchase again any web page. Something we need, like really client is required something. I need to something from some other page. It's really not required from SOA perspective. So you can directly monitor SOA console, EM console, so that we are able to where is the service breakdown, which end system service down, or front system is down, or any access gateway, Oracle access gateway down. Maybe we can analysis there itself. We are able to see the reports also there, all of the things. So mainly why people are preferring SOA means loosely coupling, reusability, interoperability, scalability, flexibility. Means what we can say. I don't tomorrow. I don't. I am currently using some DB. Some main huge number of data is coming. Validation. We are using something XSLT. Transfer the data into insert into DB. Now and system is converted to something else, some other system. Maybe queues. They required queues JMS message type after some point of time. So parallelly, we can connect with the JMS, create the JMS code, and with the just existing interface, we can connect with them. So loosely coupled, wherever you required, you can remove that one, you can add that one, but it is not impact that much more of all of the entire service. Why? Because end system is you can made of some as per a standard, that is one of the mediator service, you can say this is one of the service. So you can remove that service, you can invoke that service in composite level. It is very handy type. So not that much complicated. Not that much complicated. It is very easy to integrate with the both of the things. Reusability means you can say I'm using regularly base. I'm developing keep on services. Suppose example. So everywhere I'm handling same pattern of error handlings or notification services. I'm sending a client requirement every time anything happen in my service. They need to know data validation is failed. So username is not properly came, suppose example. So that will be need to be send the notifications. For that, we create separate interface for the error handler service, one service. Suppose audit logger service something, suppose notification service something, we can deploy it. That URL you can invoke anywhere, reuse somewhere, reuse any interface, any your service.
Okay.
Suppose you want to use anywhere notification service, just you can notification SOAP URL you can use in your service, invoke for the invoke activity, then you can send the notification. That notification service already have the structure, SOAP structure like username, error description, something, 2cc, bcc message, body, something. Structure we have. So ready-made we have. Otherwise, you need to create something there itself. Again, you need to make it the XSD. Again, one more notification is came. Is there activity notification? Email activity is there. Still, you can use the email activity, but still there is a specific integration, specific common services are there. That's kind of reusability. Suppose this integration, what you developed currently, suppose some employee name is printed your integration. That employee name you can use somewhere. For example, saying use somewhere, you can use directly invoke this service. You can get this input to that service. Okay, that is the reusability, interoperability, and scalability is also because this interoperability and scalability are nothing but of. So you can like performance wise and services wise, you can say like very impact is very much very like business wise and cost effective wise and security wise and network access wise in every aspect when compared to Java and compared to basic traditional programming language, very like very good product. Okay. So coming to the this architecture things you can go through business process. I'll come to know from here. BPL. This is like business process architecture. Something you can say like business process interaction execution. Something you can say business process execution language. You can say there is no architecture. This is built upon SOA. This is a common architecture. It is follows the every company, like every product-based company. Oracle is taking the platform as SOA architecture platform, develop the SOA suite, and IBM taking the platform of SOA architecture, then develop the MSB message broker, and help of and they have the blog server, not a blog server. WebSphere is the server they are maintaining. SAP also developed one product based on SOA, based on SOA architecture, that is called process integration, SAP PA. Like that, so many things are came. TIPCO, Pega, and IBM Lombardi BPM, something. So many products are there. And one more thing is IBM Cast Iron, something new product. So many products are came. So this is entire show is running on internally. This is mainly execution language. Everything is run on behind execution language, that is matters. So this is a simple say what we saw in mappings. We can say it is very clear cut language, like everywhere you can see source and target variables. There you can use the functions. This is provide the functions like operator functions and string functions, node functions, date functions, what you want. This very ready-made functions we have, don't need to write any customize. Very worst case, one or two cases, very worst case out of 100%. Very worst case, you have any customization. They very client will sending the very complicated date format, something like that. We can convert this format or Oracle understands the format, so that we can create some custom date function, something. Apart from that, we are not do any not able to do something else. Okay. And accessibility, coming to the accessibility part, accessibility is like this is accessibility. What you understand accessibility? You are currently on some developing some interface, right? Normally.
Yeah, no. No, I didn't work on accessible
Okay.
transformation.
Yeah, accessibility is nothing but we are transforming the data from one system to another system XML format to another XML format. One schema, simple standard say, we are transforming the data one schema to another schema. Okay. Actually,
Okay.
A system having one schema format, B system having one schema format. We need to transform the data in between the systems. Simply say schema to schema, we can transform the data. It is nothing but that is what Xcode will do, what XSLT will do. Okay, same. Both will do the same pattern, same thing. But terminology is different. XSLT has a less capability to transform the suppose 10,000 of line data. Is there Xcode has a more capable to when compared to XSLT? But you can say I never see such kind of projects. Suppose BPL implementation is there, definitely project will go for the XSLT. OSB implementation is there, they will go for the Xcode. Nowadays, maybe somewhere mixed match patterns also there. So it was somewhere routing purpose, OSB also preferring some of the designers. Definitely, uh, they will propose. We can follow that. That is the thing, thumb rule. Then definitely XSLT having the more capable, and Xcode is more than capable of XSLT. So then XSLT has also good transformation XML process. Then it will have so many functions inside also. XML in XSLT also for each while loop. What you can say XSLT nothing but we saw assign right in that before class assign activity.
Yeah.
In
Yeah.
assign left side we have input output fields, right side in the same pattern. While creating, you can drag the one XSLT transform activity. In that, it is asking source file, source schema, input file. You can select any input. Suppose your input file is transformed to target file. You can select that is input file. Select the target file what you like. So both the schemas will be coming after generating XSLT. What your transformation need to pass, you can map it. What is the difference between assign and transform? You need to got the doubt. So assign is already there. We have input variables, output variables. What is the use of XSLT then? That is very basic question actually. So
Mm-hmm.
assign, okay. Okay, one thing I'm asking you in Java, suppose uh, one value is a multiple listed value. Suppose you can say employee ID. Suppose taking example employee ID. Employee ID is a repeatable element. We got a employee ID is keep on 101, 102. Is two values are coming. How that element will
Okay.
handle Java? Actually, one node having two values. How handles?
Means dot, like if it is an array, we can do dot get of
Okay,
whatever.
okay. Yeah, you can array, right? Something array you can use some
Yeah.
concept. Here, suppose you want two values at a time into SN, it is not able to capable to the pass the data. Multiple node values. Okay, list of values it is not handling. Okay, then
Okay.
XSLT
Okay.
is in the picture. Functionality is both the same, but it is having multiple values handling. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose one employee header is there. Inside employee having so many lines, line 1, line 2, line 3. Line 1 having some details, line 2 having some details under the same header.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
So at the case
Correct.
assign will not handle. Suppose you can assign activity you can put map the all the one-to-one mappings, but bulk data, so many lines are coming at a time. But assign activity is not handled. XSLT will handle. This is the actual
Okay.
scenario. That is the actual
Okay.
difference.
Okay. Okay.
You can keep on mind. And
Yep.
this JCA and this I will tell you when WebLogic server this JCA and JMS is the like I will tell you for your understanding. JMS is like queue, JMS queues. Okay,
Okay.
you worked on queues before in Java. I think you
No.
have a queues.
No. 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 I have not worked on queues.
Queues. How
No. No. I
okay
haven't.
JMS. How actually Java messaging you people are not worked till now. You are working on messages, right? APIs.
I did not. I did not get chance to work on queues actually.
Queues.
I
Okay, queue is
Yeah.
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 Nothing but is the message based format. So based something is
Hmm.
any message with Java message. Actually, Oracle has the Oracle queues separately. After purchasing the Sun, Java queues are also there. That is very popular. JMS queues, very popular queues market. Advanced queues also there, and IBM queues also there. So many queues are there. So generally, we can Oracle product is preferred JMS queues. After that, Oracle queues. That is nothing but J queues. Okay.
Okay.
So JMS queues, we have queues and topics. Different topics is there. Normally, those queues we are able to send the message format, any information. We are using the JMS services. Okay, that is you can mind. Visual anyway, you can some heads up you can do because already we create some sample project. Right? We are able to see the digital structure. This is SOAP, you know, right? SOAP, Simple Object Access Protocol and HTTP. This protocols.
Yeah.
This is anyway you have worked. See, this is installation steps. Okay. Generally, JDK is required. 8 is required, something. And this is Java. What we tried, Java home is already what we tried, right? Last week, last 3 days back. Same thing. This is incorporated very long back. But here, case is successful came. Here, this way you need to come. Domain is created 7101 7102. Like that, it will come after giving these things. Okay. Server status. Like this, AEM console will open like this. You can able to apply the things like this. That is what I am expecting. Okay, these are the very basic things. I will send to you this document. You can go on through sometime. Okay. Namespace. What is the namespace? Just it is very like very basics for the. There is no need very like typical language required for the SOA. For XSD, what is XML namespace? You can go on through anywhere. You can struck up. Or let me know. See, this is the. You can see. This is the XML document. Okay. This is the XML, but it is like a format of schema. Okay. Try to focus it. See, access is the colon prefix. Something is there. CSE. Access is the colon. This is a prefix. So here below